Hello. Can everyone hear me? Can everyone hear me? Test 1 2, test 1 2. Making sure you guys can all hear me. All right. Hopefully you guys can hear me. Yes, loud and clear. Lovely, lovely, lovely. How you guys doing? Just gonna send a link out real quick, and then we'll get started. I currently see an HCP happen. Let's go back to 5 minute. I'm gonna present my screen for you guys. Let's share screen. Okay, hopefully you guys can see my screen as well. Where's everyone from in the chat? Where's everyone from? Let me send this link out right now. From Germany? Nice. Algeria? Nice. South Africa? Nice. Nice, nice. You guys are from all across the world, eh? You guys are from all across the world. Let me put this, let me post this. Someone said India? Let me post this last post. And then we're about to get fully started. And immersed. Last link. Boom. Boom. Send this over. Ethiopia. Damn. Who was the first one to join this live stream? Who was the first one? Ibrahim Groshar. Ibrahim, my brother Ibrahim. I'm gonna set up the correct format, so it's gonna allow you guys to pretty much go live with me, you know, so you guys can hear them. Everyone can be first. Only a few people can be first. Yeah, no, 100%, 100%. Let me pop this last link in the chat, and then we're good. Okay. Now that's everything. Should be good. Okay. All right. All right, guys. So currently, what I see right now is we have price. It did make an SMT right here. So we do have a Wix SMT. There's a difference between a Wix SMT and a regular SMT. Okay, guys. A Wix SMT is when price is made from just any type of low. 10/21 October. Okay, my dentist appointment's not today. A Wix SMT is a less powerful version of a regular high SMT, right? So this is the SMT here on the 5-minute. You know, um, where's VG? I'll be selecting the winners. All right, guys. Can everyone hear me loud and clear? Can everyone hear me loud and clear? Zoom a little or make it 1080p quality. I'll zoom in a bit for you guys. How's this? Is this better? Is this better for everyone? Much better? Okay, so right now, until right now we have a bullish SMT off of a higher time frame, 15-minute bullish fair value gap. Go to the 1-minute. In the 1-minute, there's no opposite fair value gap for us to choose from. If there was, we could have got a nice setup, but right now we're currently just waiting. We're looking at price right now, and we're currently at all-time highs right now. We're at all-time highs right now. So we're just waiting. We're patiently waiting. We're gonna see what price is gonna do for us. You know, most of the things comes to waiting thing. Do you guys have any questions in terms of, let's get everyone. Do you guys have any questions, bro? Like use today, guys, as the day where it's like, yo, I'm gonna ask Hamuzi unlimited questions. You know what I'm saying, guys? Today's gonna be the day where I want you guys to ask me a lot of questions. I want you guys to really pick my brain. I want you guys to understand a lot of things, right? I want to go live with Ibrahim. Ibrahim, are you here in the chat? What pair is this? This is the Nasdaq. I'm gonna talk to Thing because I'm trying to go live. I want to go live with one of my one-on-one student, so I can kind of, put you guys in the mindset. I want him to ask me questions and X, Y, and Z. So I'm just trying to figure out how I can make it work. So at least for next streamer, for streams from now on, it looks like that. Here, right? Lovely. I swear I got the premium, bro. Why is it? 942. See, if it wasn't the premium, we wouldn't have stopped it. Hi, sir. About SMT, do you find entries after the sweep? Yeah. So ideally, we can't even pop this back right now. Ideally, we want to have some type of inversion here, after this SMT, and then obviously, technically, if there was an entry here, we would have already been out by now based off of this wick. Nice, nice. Glad to have you in the group, bro. I don't go by absolute bias. I go by session bias, right? I think that's the most important. I joined Elite Training Snipers yesterday. Hey, welcome SSY Null Phage Rage. I'm glad you're in it. It's gonna be dope. It's gonna be dope. We ended the month last month 5% profit and 9.5% profit. What's a good tip to finding SMT? Just have both of your charts open on the left side. Have this chart open. Have this chart open. Have both charts open. How to pass funded account? You guys keep asking me questions, yo. How do you manage losses? You guys gotta learn how to size down. You guys are doing the opposite. When you take a loss, you guys are sizing up. You're not sizing down. What's good, Hattie? Yeah, guys, let me introduce you guys to Hattie. Hattie is one of my incredible students. Absolutely beautiful. Able to call the market beautifully. Does it matter which SMT the time frame is on? No, it doesn't matter. Sir, when you're looking at a bias, are you in the higher time frame? You look like it's in the lower time frame? Yes, exactly. Exactly. Correct. So right now, again, we are at all-time high levels. Do you have your signal? Yes, I do. I do have a signals. What are you trading right now? Trading NASDAQ. So we're trading NASDAQ right now. This is NQ NASDAQ. And we're currently just waiting right now. Currently just waiting. We're seeing what's happening right now. So right now, what could be happening is we're just engineering liquidity. Engineering liquidity. Oh, whoa. Was that an HCP? Oh, okay, no. Oops. Huh. Howdy. Waiting for a bullish one? Yeah. I wanted to refill this fair value gap right now. So I'm gonna but I feel like it might drop and then refill this balance. You guys, who's ready for today? Who's ready? Who's locked in? Who's ready for today? Who's ready for today? Ideally, guys, when we're in all-time highs, this is a little tip for you guys. We're in all-time highs right now. Ideally, I want to mostly just look for buys in scenarios like these. Right? This one. We cannot use this one because it got disrespected. No, I didn't get disrespected. We're fine. We're fine. Do you have any type of RMR on the 15? No. Just waiting. Why not sell so much liquidity? I'm gonna see if I have some type of SMT or something to work with. But for now, it's just ideally like we're in a range where we made all-time highs pre-market before 9:30. So I'm just expecting that to kind of just get taken away. Most of the people are here for the giveaway. How many of you guys are here for the giveaway versus how many of you guys are here to learn? Let me see. Let me get an idea right now. How many of you guys are here for the giveaway and how many of you guys are here to learn? Lock in and learn. Should I do one giveaway right now? Someone said learn. Someone said both. Someone said learn. Someone said learn. So what is it, guys? Is it learn? There's no opposite fair value gap for us to disrespect right now. Yeah, I'm gonna do a wheel spin. So your job, Mr. Jasky, or whatever, find a simulator that can do a spin. Bro said giveaway. I'm honest. I'm dead. I think your guys' last word should be scaling in. Your guys' first word should be like the first step, which is finding the correct setup. A lot of people struggle on finding that correct setup. On other live, you talked about another strategy. Would you explain that today? Oh no, that other strategy is just for the guys that are in my one-on-one mentorship, because that one is like a crazy strategy. That one is like a 1-to-6 risk to reward ratio. So that's something I'm gonna be breaking down soon to like Ibrahim and to the other guys that are in my one-on-one, the complete one-on-one. But this strategy but I'm also showing you guys is very good. Yeah, FG one is something very, very good as well. But like 1-to-6 is that means if you win 2 trades, you have to lose 12 in a row just to be in break even, which is like just an insane concept to think about. How much is your one-on-one? I'm interested. It's a bit pricey though. That's the thing. It's not for everyone. It's only for students that are like really dedicated. That's why I put the price pretty expensive, because I'm gonna be giving my own time, like complete one-on-one time, right? Because a lot of people don't do one-on-ones. They just do like videos, watch the video, and they don't really help much. Like, who are you gonna ask when you have questions, right? So you can see, guys, we're engineering a lot of liquidity here. A lot of liquidity. Like a lot. See right here? Liquidity. It's one-time payment. I purposely do it one time because, like, bro, if you're really good, You know what I do on purpose? If like you're really, 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 really good, then and you graduate, I will buy you a bunch of like we're gonna pretty much just, like I'm gonna like fund your account. Like I'm gonna give you like dollars, and then we do 50-50 split on that funded account. Um, so yeah, it's one time on purpose because it's like, all right, I already know you know how to do what I'm doing. Might as well us work together, and we both make money together, pretty much. Engineered. Market chases liquidity. Engineered all this liquidity plus for an all-time highs is a good thing. We're retapping to the 5-minute bullish for value gap. So we want these inefficiencies, these imbalances to be filled. Once they're filled, then that's when we're going to look for an inversion, but not any type of inversion. It has to be the last one in the range. And then we can start to attack all of this engineered liquidity. Right? So that's a pretty cool thing. If we go to 10 a.m., 10 a.m. is not yet. So we can go to 10 a.m., open high, low, close, and then just see we have this little fake out going down. And then that should pretty much confirm what we're looking for as in buys. No, it's not ICC. How long is the one-to-one program for? It's forever. So once you're in the one-to-one program, it's forever. It's not monthly. It's not yearly. It's forever. So you have my cell phone, my personal phone number, and you get access to me 24/7. You can text me in the middle of the night. I'll respond. You can text me in the thing and pretty much you have access to me. And you can ask unlimited questions. And yeah, and then hopefully as time progresses, you fully understand everything bit by bit. And then I can start investing money into you. And then we can start working together. But again, it's not for everyone. It's pretty expensive. And the reason why is because it's completely one-on-one. It's not a group mentorship, just one-on-one. So you can see over here, market just chases liquidity, guys. Like I always tell you day in and day out, bro. These highs, swing high, swing high, swing high, swing high, swing high. These are just liquidity points, right? And the market just chases those days in, day out. I just joined. Please explain again from your Telegram. Explain what? What questions do you guys have? You have questions about the one-on-one, or you have questions about the chart I'm looking at right now? You have questions about, right? So currently, right now, I will be looking for an A plus setup. If we can get lucky and catch an IEH here. So my A plus setup consists of an IEH. It consists of a breakaway gap. You see that? This is what I'm telling you. See, guys, how it just chases liquidity. Like I didn't mark anything below here because I know that the market just wants to attack something from above. The market just chases liquidity. Just having an idea of direction on where it wants to go is just the beauty, and it just proves it day in and day out. One-on-one, please tell me more. So yeah, like I said, breaking it down, it's gonna be like a 3-stage process. So obviously how this 3-stage process is gonna work is that you guys ask unlimited questions, ask anything you guys have. I share my screen, I break it down, and then once like I don't end the call unless you fully understand everything. Once everything clicks, then I'm gonna put you in the homework stage, personalized homeworks. You send me the homework, I check it. So you're always gonna be constant feedback, right? So the goal is to make you a clone of me, right? Just like how Hattie's pretty much a clone of me. The goal is to make you a exact clone of me, so then we can start working together. So for example, like imagine, you know, Hadi's looking at, let's say, gold. And now I have another student that's on Hadi's level now, and he's looking at NASDAQ. And then another student who's looking at GJ, and another student's looking at thing. And then, bro, I can already see no one's missing a damn trade at that point, you know? Which is going to be insane. And obviously, when I see you're skillful, I'm going to be funding you big amounts because I know you're trading my style. So although I do see this, this 5-minute, bearish for value gap, the reason why I'm not interested in this, even though we have a GIFEG and a lot of engineered Oh, see, actually, this does look quite interesting. I'm not gonna lie to you. But the reason why I may not enter this trade is because I don't have a clear market structure shift. Right? There's no market structure, and there's little equal lows here. Right? But it's the fact that there is no MSS to the downside. You guys can shoot me a message here. Hamuzi Prime. And then just message me. I have a question about one-on-one or something. Or actually, no, that's not good. Just email me. Look, whoever's interested in the one-on-one, only if you're serious. Because I'm telling you right now, it's a bit pricey. So only if you're serious, email, not Instagram. Email hamuzithegoat6@gmail.com. So right here, boom, 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 boom. Eyes right here. This is a B++ entry right now because we have our inversion, right? We have a clean SMT with highs, swing highs. So right here, boom. This is a B+. It's not an A. The reason why it's not an A is because we don't have a higher time frame market structure shift. But what do we have? We have an SMT. Price did not close above. So entry ideally is, but it's not an A+. So this is what we're going to wait for. Ideally, it's what? It's off of the closure. So right when we close below that, that's when you're like, okay, that's my entry. Remember, you're closing below this bullish fair value gap, right? So this is an incomplete setup. But if it was complete, this is how it looked like, right? We have this price closed. Right there's where you close. What are you going to target? Engineered, engineered, engineered. All this engineered liquidity, right? Now, how can you make this a complete setup? What can make this setup complete? What is it, right? To actually make this high probability, because now this is low. You see this? You see this? Right? You see this? You see this? What made this or can make this lower probability? What can make this higher probability? We go to the 5-minute. Even though we have a bearish gap, do we have a market structure shift? Yes or no, guys? Yes or no? Even though we have a bearish fair value gap, do we have a market structure shift? Yes or no? Is everyone familiar with a market structure shift is or no? A market structure shift, right, is when a swing high gets rated and then right after a swing low gets rated. Does that make sense? So right here, we can see what happened. A swing high got rated, right? But did a swing low get rated now or no? Did price close below any type of swing low? No. The next swing low is all the way here. Price did not close below any type of swing low. Does that make sense? Therefore, if you were to enter this trade, it would have been a what? It would have been a loss. Does that make sense to everyone? Does that make sense? Right? If there's no market structure shift, expect the trade to have drawdown. Does that make sense? I repeat again. If, note this down, if there is no market structure shift, expect the trade to have drawdown. That makes sense, everyone? And expected higher chance of being a loss. Right? This is what? This is when there's what? When there's no market structure shift on the higher time frame. That makes sense, everyone? Makes sense, chat? What I just said right now, did that make sense to you guys? Did what I say make sense to you guys? No? Okay. What did not make sense from what I said? What part? I'm in school, but watching my idol. Was already what time? At least a 5 minute. At least a 5 minute. Right? If there's no market, expect a drawdown or a loss. Correct. Excellent job. If there's no market structure shift, expect that or a loss. So now we wait. We wait. So do you see how why this play had drawdown? Why it could have been SL? Why it couldn't? Do you see how we pretty much stick to something that's more what do you call it? Did I win the giveaway? Oh no, not yet. We're gonna do it. Okay, again, like I said again, if there's no market structure shift, expect the trade to have drawdown and expect a higher. Everyone note that down. Note that down. Note it down, note it down, note it down. Note it down, note it down, note it down. No, I didn't. Not yet. I didn't. I'm not gonna announce. I did not announce the winner yet. I did not announce the winner yet. I will soon. I will soon. I got you guys. Don't worry. I just want to make sure all of this is in your notes. I hope it's all in your notes. So now we wait. This is the market structure shift now. Everyone with me? SMT on a higher time frame. Market structure shift. Now we have a market structure shift. But now we just have these close range liquidity. The only conflict of interest, you like when you trade, you want to find out conflict of interest. What's the conflict of interest if we do go for sells? The conflict of interest that we are at all-time highs. All-time highs equals buys most cases. So we do have to keep that in mind. So technically, this is still close range. Go to the 15-minute. No market structure shift on the 15-minute. So there's no market structure shift on the 15-minute. That's still holding, which is good. So let me just see if I can get like some type of bullish SMT here. Okay, we have a bullish SMT here as well. Okay, so what that means, guys, we have 15-minute SMT, bullish SMT, delete, delete. If we can get closure above this zone, if we can close above this bearish fair value gap, this is going to be our GIFEG setup. We're already at all-time highs. Then I'm going to expect this high to get taken out. We have a bullish SMT. We're at all-time highs. So that's why we're aligning more to that side. So if we close here and this becomes a close range liquidity point, then that's when we're going to be looking for buys. So I want the close to be less than 10 points. So from here to here. Yeah, so that's I'm gonna wait for this candle to just see if I can get something just a little bit within the zone. Remember, the closer we are to this swing high point, the higher probability the setup is going to be. So I'm taking that chance. So this is a nice SMT. We can target as high as the all-time highs. If we were to enter around here, then we'll sacrifice some of our stop loss. So we'll have about a 12.5 stop loss. We get a little bit of a late entry here. We'll put it behind the GIFEG. There's no other bullish for Vigas, making sure it's close range. But yeah, it has to be even a little bit higher, to be honest with you. I need this to be high probable. So I need closure high above this GIFEG, but near here. This is what I'm waiting for. This is going to make this more higher probability. If I just enter off of here with this distance between here and here, I'm not a fan of that distance. I'm not a fan. We're above 10 points. So let's see how this goes. I'm taking this is a very conservative way of entering. You can literally have an entry here, but I'm waiting for a conservative one just to make it more high probable. I needed a closure about here. So then at least now we're 5 points away. Okay, we have 27 seconds until the candle closes. Okay. We have wait for a closure now. And I don't want it to close with a high wicks. I want the body. That's good. Okay, buys here, guys. Here, stop loss has about a very tight stop loss, 8-point stop loss. And that's your entry right there. Right here, the distance between here and here, about 7.75. So it's okay. It's okay distance. And then we'll want to target that equal high. So it's going to put us at about a 1 to 3.58 RR. This is a big RR, which means technically you need a 30, like a 30% win rate, even less to be profitable with this. So let's go here. Obviously, do not over risk. Do not over risk. 2.0. Nice, guys. Nice. Excellent. What a sniper entry, guys. Whew. What a sniper entry. Make sure my SL is in place. So I think ideally what I do is for the people that are in my signal. Okay, we have this high that got taken out. Excellent. Our one-to-one zone got hit, right? So a lot of people in the signal groups, once we hit 1-to-1, ideally that's when we're like, okay, because with the 60% win rate, you'll be super profitable. So that 1-to-1 did get smashed. So obviously, if you're in the signal group right now, and I sent you guys the link for the guys that close at 1-to-1, you guys can close. So 1-to-1 guys, you guys can close. So you guys close in profit. For the 1-to-1. And then this lovely trade, guys. This lovely trade. This is our 1-to-2 zone. So right here, absolutely beautiful. Boom. That's our 1-to-2 area. Bam. Okay, guys, you can move your stop loss to break even now. This is a risk-free trade. So that green zone 1-to-2, and then the full TP will be this high right here at 1-to-3.61. So stop loss to break even. This is a risk-free trade. This is a risk-free trade. Currently, you can see we're up a decent amount right here. Boom, boom, boom. But it looks so different thumbnail. Okay, so again, guys, it is risk-free. If you're satisfied, remember 1-to-1 guys, you should be out right here. So the 1-to-1 guys that we talked about for your probability distribution, you guys should be out the trade here. So closed out in profit here. So we already hit that zone, right? So we have our tally sheet for the guys that are in the signal group, and you guys should be out. You guys should close your profits, enjoy your profits, and that's it. You're locked out. So make sure you close out, all right? Make sure you enjoy that profit. Make sure. W's in the chat, guys. Oh. W's, 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 W's. So anyways, guys, do you guys now, like, as you start to see it live, do you guys kind of start to understand it a little bit? Starting to click in as you guys see it live, play out, live in. So again, this is for anyone holding more than the 1-to-1. So BE hit right here. So again, that's for anyone holding anything more than high. And then obviously our 1-to-1 already got smashed right here. Right, so those are the ones that close at 1-to-1. So those are the ones that secured here. Boom, about right there. I feel like there'll be another entry setup. I don't know why. Something's telling me there's gonna be like another clean setup that's gonna happen. Getting a funny feeling. So yeah, like I was saying, you know, as you start to see it live, I guess that's when we can say it starts to, I think, click more and make more sense for a lot of you guys, right? Right, dubs. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, makes sense, guys. Does the strategy make sense? Click. That was a sniper entry, boss. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let me actually redesignate. Yeah, that's good there. Just put that in the signal group. Just make sure the 1-to-1 guys did close, because we have a tally chart. So we want to see what the percentage is. Last month it was 5% for the 1-to-1 guys. That was a low, but the month before was 19% for the 1-to-1 guys, which is pretty cool. So yeah, excellent job, guys. Excellent job. Lovely. And again, right, we have this bullish SMT to. So wait, we'll see. Maybe we'll get another setup. Who wants another setup? Yes, we love to scalp. Who wants another setup? I'm gonna keep giving it. You know why I like this SMT is because the one that we're entering off of makes the higher low. The PA is choppy for any 1-to-2. Yeah, it is quite choppy, PA. I'll be honest with you. It is quite choppy, PA. It's like the you guys want to look at gold? You guys want to take a look at gold? Let's take a look at gold real quick. Okay, what do we have from gold? Gold currently, we have a bouncing off of a 5-minute bullish fair value gap. Go to the 1 minute. If there was some type of, this is the volume imbalance. I don't want a volume imbalance. I want an opposite fair value gap. If we can get a closure above opposite fair value gap, we can attack these highs. I like this. I like this stacked up high. Pretty good. But we need some type of closure. So a closure close range here would have been better. Okay, let's come back to. Oh, no way. Oh, no. Hey, HCP right here. Oh, this is going to be a deadly. Like, there's a little. COR, this would have been. All right, central. Boom. See, 1 to 6. Yeah, 1 to 6 already equal. Plus external SMT plus internal SMT. We're gonna journal this one down. We'll bring this in the books. 3964. That level is brutal. What is HCP? It's a pretty cool strategy. It's a really cool strategy. So this one I'm giving it to the guys in the 1-to-1. So anyways, guys, how many of you guys were in the live stream? You guys see it happen live? And a good example of the setup. How many of you guys were in it as a transition? You saw it pumped beautifully, a bit more than a 1-to-1 as well. It felt like a snipe. Like, was there any? There's like almost no drawdown, right? Instant, right? Just instant, boom, straight into that, right? So it's cool. I'm really happy you guys were able to see it. Even though the market is choppy, even though the government shut down and all that stuff. It's lovely. You know what my theory is? We had this displacement candle through this low. So we had a market structure shift to the downside. Plus, at the same time, though, we had this 5 minutes. So that's what gave it the choppiness, if that makes sense. That's what made it choppy. What made it choppy is displacement to the downside. And at the same time, now we tapped into the higher time. So we had two different things telling us one thing. So when those ones happens, you usually want to collect your profits, right? Oh, it's good, Anthony. You know what I'm seeing, guys? Something pretty cool. All I'm seeing is, look, price. I'm not worried about anything. You know why? All price is doing is engineering more liquidity for us, right? That's how I see it. I just see it as price just engineering more liquidity. You see that? Boom. Engineered more liquidity. Boom. Engineered more liquidity. So at the end of the day, price just engineered liquidity. What does the market chase? Liquidity. So if we have an idea that market chases liquidity, and we know that price is just chasing, is engineering us, it's kind of giving us a hint. You know what I'm saying? It's giving us a hint of what price wants to do. So your job is to just figure it out and take advantage of it and then capitalize off of it. That's it. Right? You want to capitalize off what the market is telling you. And the market is telling you the same thing over and over and over again. So now we're about to retest this 15-minute bullish fair value gap. Mind you, we're still on this. We did not disrespect this. So we can still use this. Does that make sense, everyone? We did not disrespect this. Anytime price makes a higher time frame fair value gap and price closes below, we cannot use this. We cannot use this. Does that make sense? It becomes history. It's gone. So if this closes like this in the next 8 minutes and 6 seconds, we delete this and it becomes history. It did not yet. It still has the ability to wicks up, but it didn't. So now let's come back to this 15-minute bullish fair value gap. Let's go right here. Price made a high. What did price do also? Made another high. Made another high, right? Be careful. We don't want displacement coming down, right? We don't want that. Instead of what we want is price slowly come down. We don't want it to come down in a vertical shape. I just saw your live on Instagram. Missed the move. Oh, no way. No. It was very clean play. What's good, Jeffrey? All right, let's get this popping. All right, guys, I'm currently live right now. I need you guys to all join the live stream. I'm going to be trading live. All right, I'm going to be teaching live. And I'm currently doing a live stream trading right now. So take advantage of it, guys. Take advantage of this literally right now. I'm going to show you guys how to become a max allocated trader. So you guys join right now. Join. Your boy's trading literally live. The link is in the bio. Okay. So I'm going to be doing the giveaway over there. I hope to see you guys. What do you mean no sound? You guys can't hear me? The sound should work. So guys, join that right there. We can't hear you. There's no sound. Join the live. No, not you guys. Bro, this audio is killing me. Repeat. Okay, guys, I'm gonna have to end this live, bro. Audio. Okay, can you guys hear me? No, you guys can hear me. You guys can definitely hear me. There's no way you guys can't hear me. Come on now. You guys are the OGs. Yeah, guys, this is I don't know why my Instagram audio is geeking up. I don't know why I was geeking up for no reason. But anyways, guys, was it cool? How many of you guys were in the live stream when we took that little scalp W? How many of you guys were in that live stream? We're doing it live. How many of you guys were in that W? Let me get a little idea. Who was in the live stream? I was like, what, 20 minutes ago? Yes, Nadal was in it when I did it. Darden was in it. Let's go. Ahmed Walid was in it. Let's go. Ismail was in it. Let's go. Black GW was in it. Let's go. We do this live. All these other guys don't know how to trade except for us. Bada boom, bada bam, bam, boom. Okay, guys. I see an hourly. I'm gonna delete everything real quick. I see an hourly bullish for VIGAP right here. Marking it out right here. Switch over to the 1 minute time frame. I just want to see if there's any type of SMT with us to work with. Yes, we still have this critical one. So we have a little bullish SMT right here. So this little divergence between NASDAQ and ES. So now last thing I want to wait is for price to disrespect this. Once we close above here, then we're going to target this under. I like this because it's a little stacked up liquidity close right above the GIFG. So now we can target all of this liquidity. Now we can target all of this liquidity. Now we can target all of this liquidity. And let's see if we can go 2-0 today. Sharing your live on my page. Hey, appreciate that, brother. Yeah, make sure you guys all share the live. I need everyone to share this live to 5 friends right now. All right, guys. I need someone to put in. I need one of you guys to just put in a simulator. You know those little simulators where you do the giveaway stuff. We're gonna do it like that, and we're gonna lock in from there. Today, based on what you taught me, I made $3,000. Can we go over it this week? Chat. You guys want to see something crazy? Look at this right here. You guys read that message? What does it say? Read that right now. This is from a one-on-one student. You guys read that? It said today, based and that was the proof right there, the PNL. Today, based on what you taught me, I made over 3,000. Can we go over it this week? Just want to make sure I'm on the right track. Holy smoky. Yeah, it's takeover season, guys. It's takeover season. It's takeover season, bro. I can't wait to like make these guys in the one-on-one mentorship. I cannot wait to turn them into like absolute beasts, bro. That's the goal. That's the end goal. That's the only reason why I stopped doing group mentorships. I want to do one-on-one so I can have time for everyone individually. Really sit them down, talk to them, and you know, let that break down. You know, send them homework. I want them to send me homework. I want to check their homework, send it back, make sure everything is correct, make sure everything is good. You know, that's the main objective. That's the super main objective. Does that make sense, everyone? Okay, so now we have this right now, bullish SMT. This is the closure I want right here. Next 34 seconds, eyes on NASDAQ. Let's see if we have an internal SMT. Internal, let's see if we have an internal. No, we don't have an internal, but it's fine. I need it to close above here. Needs to close above here, not here. Here. Okay, guys? I like this. Shouldn't take too many candles to disrespect. The longer it takes, the more candles it takes to disrespect, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the longer it takes, the lower the probability. Okay, this is something else you probably want to note down, guys. The longer you take, the lower the probability. Okay, guys? So just keep that in mind. Very important. Very important. The longer it takes, again, the lower the probability. Someone asked me above. What did they say? They said, oh, by the way, guys, just a quick thing. If you're interested, okay, hold. Okay, I see it now. Now it's here. That closure, that candle, that bearish fair value gap at 10:26 a.m. That's where I want the closure in. That's where I want the closure right there. I don't want it to close and at the same time it takes out this high, or else I have nothing to target. Does that make sense? So if we want to make this a pretty good setup, then we have to make sure it closes above. Let's go to the 2-minute. Yeah, I see. Once it closes above here, at least, then we also disrespect the 2-minute as well. All right. And then there's nothing on the 3-minute. So we'll have a 1-minute, a 1-minute GIFEG and a 2-minute IFEG. I think some of you guys had questions or asking me about. Okay, we'll talk about this after the setup. So we have a nice sweep of liquidity. We have an A+ raid. A+ raid right here, chat. We still have a bullish SMT. We have all-time highs. High. So we're just gonna be patient. Again, I don't want it to take too long, by the way. So yeah, anyways, a lot of you guys were okay. Let's take a look at gold. You guys want to look at gold? Oh, we may have. Oh, isn't this the thing I marked out for gold? This is what I marked out for gold. See that little 30-minute. See that market structure is outside. That's nice. Wow, that's a nice one for gold. This was a nice play off gold. This is what I'm saying. Clean play off the 30-minute. If we go to the 30-minute, what happened? We had an RMR in the 30-minute, right? Swing low here got rated. Swing low got rated. Swing high got rated with displacement. So that's a market structure shift, right? Therefore, what's the last thing we do? We go to the smaller time frame, the 1 minute, and we want to look. Okay, did we escape it? Oh, we escaped it. But when we escaped it, did we also create a GIFEG? And if you look closely, we did. We made that GIFEG. And what happened? Price went above, closed above. Right when it closed there, that's where you want to enter. That's where you want to put your stop loss. And ideally, at least go for that 1 to 2. That's exactly what happened over there. Minimum 1 to 2. Right? But then there's also this high liquidity point. I don't see it not taking it out, to be honest. Right? So that's for gold. You see that? Boom. Right? That's the impulsiveness. And the thing about gold too is it loves to impulse, right? So this is the strategy day in and day out. If we go to silver, let's see if there's an SMT with silver. Look at that. There's an SMT with silver. Right? So what does that mean? That means gold made a lower low and silver made a what? It made a higher low. So that's a divergence. So anytime there's this type of divergence, then expect a type of reversal with price action. So we come back to gold. We come back to NASDAQ. NASDAQ didn't have that closure above. You see that? You see how it saved us from a loss? Imagine you try to enter off the IFEG and not the GIFEG. So imagine you try to enter off here. Like, oh, we closed above. We closed above. Look, we closed above. But this is why we wait for the last one. This is why we wait for the last one to be disrespected. You see that, guys? This is why I waited. This is why I said, guys, I didn't say we're entering off of here. What did I say? I said we're entering off of here after it closes. Does that make sense to everyone? Right? After it closes. If you do it too early, like it closed here, let me enter for buys. What happened? You would have been stopped out. So we just avoided a loss over here, right? Avoiding a loss is a win in trading. Let me tell you that much. Does that make sense? We just avoided a loss. So we always want to wait for the last range one to get disrespected. Once we close above, then we can immediately enter. Then we can go and attack, right? So right now we just avoided a loss over here. So we're still 1-0 for the day. All right? Does that make sense, everyone? Click, no click. You do want to watch out here, guys, because now we have that 15-minute displacement to the downside. So be careful, guys. Be careful. Do be careful, right? This is where you want to watch out now. Let me delete everything. Now we had our original swing high
it got rated. Now we have a swing low, and that swing low got taken out with displacement. So this is the market structure. This is the market structure shift. So even though there's some type of bullish fair value gap here, this is a watch out zone. This is kind of dangerous, right? Because ideally now in the higher time frame, we have a bearish RMR, right? So be careful. So what that means is there could be a setup up here. But if there isn't, it's fine. It's completely fine. Yeah, I think it's gonna start to collect these liquidity points down here. Right, makes sense, everyone? So there's a clean gold one. And this is the cool part. You know what I'm saying? So imagine the one-on-one, right? So the most I can do, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, the most I can do is look at one chart, like two charts, NASDAQ and ES, okay? Because they're correlated. But do you guys see how it worked beautifully on gold? Do you guys see that? How the strategy worked beautifully on gold? Yes or no? Yes or no? Do you guys see how it worked beautifully on gold? So imagine, you know, when for my one-on-one students, when I really break this down and teach you guys one-on-one, break everything down. Imagine I'm looking at NASDAQ and then someone identical like me is looking at gold. And someone identical like me is looking at Ethereum. And someone identical as me is looking at, you know, UJ, whatever it is. Does that make sense? What's gonna happen? Oh, we're gonna make a lot of money. And who's gonna fund you guys? Who's gonna fund you guys with the capital? This guy. I'm going to fund you guys because at that point you've become an asset to me. You've become an asset to me, right? So that's why again I'm not, you know, I'm not charging monthly. I'm not charging yearly. That's why the one-on-one I just charge one-time payment. That's it. That's it. So then we can work together after, right? So then we can permanently be partners, and that's it. So for those of you guys that are interested in the one-on-one, again, it is pricey. So do not email me if you're not 100% serious. It's Hamuzi the goat 6@gmail.com. So this is my email right here. So literally email me right now so you don't forget if you want to join the one. Again, I'm telling you right now, don't waste your time if you're not serious. Again, it is pricey because it is one-on-one. It's pure attention. It's not some type of shit where you just watch a course or a video. It's pure one-on-one. When you get in that one-on-one, what's gonna happen? You're gonna get my phone number. And everything's gonna be broken down to you. So that's the email right there. You'll learn all things, even this other strategy that I'm currently breaking down. That I'm gonna break down to one-to-one. Once they master GIFEG, I'm gonna break them a strategy called HSP. So HCP, sorry. Very limited one-on-one students. Very limited. Very limited. So that's why even when you email me, I may not even still choose you. I'm gonna have to email you back. I'm gonna interview you, and I'm gonna break down if you're a good fit or not, right? So again, I'm not expecting this GIFEG to get disrespected, guys, because we already had that big market structure shift going on. There is a giveaway, guys. Someone put it in the generator. I need somebody to make a generator real quick, so all of you guys can put the link in and lock that in. But in the meanwhile, though, you guys all shoot me an email right now. Yeah. AquaTV is amazing for beginners, 100%. I'm gonna put you guys in a generator. Not live every single day. I'm live on Tuesday. Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, or Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday. Yeah, I should have seen, honestly. Once we had this 5-minute displacement to the downside, we could have popped. We could have popped a little golden hour, Little golden hour sell setup right here, just off of this little breaker block. Yeah, this is NAS 100 and SGX 500 giveaway. Oh, someone just emailed me right now. I seen someone just email me. Oh no, a few people emailed me also. No, guys, the email is not for the giveaway, guys. The email is for the one-on-one. Don't get it confused. The giveaway is specifically for this. Okay, guys. Since no one wants to send me the generator link, I'm gonna choose a number between 1 and 60. Okay, I mean 1 and 100, and whoever gets it right will win. Will win. So that's the best option because I'm asking you guys to send me the little generator link. No one wants to send it, so I'm gonna pick through the numbers. Okay, so everyone think of a number from 1 to 100. 3, 2, 1, go. Everyone pick a number. 1 to Come on, come on, come on. How did nobody get it yet? Okay. Come on, guys. You got this. Guess, guess, guess. Maybe guess again. I can see. Guess. Okay. That I got it. I got it. I got it. The winner is. Oh, was that? Ismail Johnson, number 3. He chose 3. He said 3 multiple times. All right, Ismail Johnson. Okay, guys, stop guessing now. Stop guessing now. You guys can stop guessing. Okay, Ismail Johnson. Ismail Johnson, say something real quick, and everyone stop typing. Y'all gotta stop spamming. Stop typing. Y'all gotta relax. Y'all gotta breathe. I pinged 300 times. Bravo spamming 2, not 3. Okay. So it's okay, it's fine. Like I said, guys, if no one's gonna send me the link to the Google generator or whatever where people can just, generate their thing, then we have to do it this way. We have to do it this way. Okay, guys, stop guessing. Stop guessing. Stop guessing, guys. Stop guessing. All right, guys. I'm gonna choose another number. I'm gonna choose another number. And Ismail, that one's a 10K account. So I'm gonna choose another number from 1 to 100. If you guys don't win, don't get sad. If you guys, don't be sad. Do not be sad. I'm thinking of a number. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. No one got it yet. No one got it yet. Guys, the chat's so delayed. I'm sorry if I miss anyone, by the way, because I'm trying my best. I'm literally thinking of this. The number is literally, no one got it yet. No one got it yet. Oh, okay. Someone got it. Someone got it. Where'd it go? I seen the number. Who was it? Okay. And the winner is Angela Ezudiki. Angela Ezuguduki. It was 60. And that one is for the 50K. All right, guys. Should we do one more 10K? Okay, we're gonna do one more 10K. I'm gonna think of a number between. Let's see. Okay. I'm gonna think of a number between 1 and 100. And if you guys want, guys, why are you emailing me a number? What the, bro? I should not have given you guys my email, guys. That email is just if you're interested in the one-on-one mentorship. Okay, that's what the email is for. All right, guys. If you're interested in the one-on-one, that's what the email. You guys cannot be emailing me a number. I'm not going to see it. I'm going to block it. Do not do that. Okay, guys. Literally, it's just for if you're interested in the one-on-one. That's it. Okay. I'm gonna choose a number between 1 and I'm gonna choose a number between 1 and 1 and 100. And let's see if you guys get this. Okay? 1 and 100. Okay. I came up with the number. It's in my head. Now let's see. Okay, let's see if you guys got it. Let's go. I'll give you a hint with this number. Wow, someone was close. 2 people were really close. 2 people were really close. Wow, another person was really close. Ooh. Ooh, bro, you guys are literally so, you're choosing every number but the number. I seen at least 3 numbers that were like one off. Again, one off. How is that even possible? Again, like 3 off now. I'm giving hints, man. Um, Wow, you guys were hot and now you guys are cold. I'm not gonna lie, you guys were hot, now you guys are cold. You guys are way far off now. Oh my gosh. This is gonna take a minute. Yo, maybe someone said it, but the way the chat is glitching for me right now is insane. Okay, maybe I have to open a YouTube tab real quick so I can see it properly. Because there's no way I'm... Oh, and my keyboard died. Okay, I'll give you guys a hint. The number is less than 30. Because no one is getting it right now. The number is less than 30. How the hell are you guys saying 44 right now? The number is less than 30, chat. Bro, I said less than 30 and just do it just at 33. Oh my God. Come on. Yo, okay, stop. I got it. Ali Raza. Ali Raza with a 26. Oh, and I just seen a lot of people said 26. Now that my thing just caught up. But the one my eye seen was Ali Raza. Okay, Ali Raza. Okay, guys, be doing more. I'll do more giveaways, more all that stuff. But remember, don't get sad if you do not win. Don't get sad if you felt like you got cheated out. Don't get sad about any of that shit. Remember, you guys came here to learn. You guys came here to lock in. All right, so do not. There will be more giveaways. All right, guys. All right, guys. Please do not be sad. It's really hard to really just catch everything with my eyes. And I know some of you guys are gonna be like very like awe about it, but put yourself in my shoes. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes it glitches because of the speed and everything. Okay, guys. Sounds good. This is what I'm saying. I know some of you guys probably said it, but the problem is that I'm limited. I can only see so much. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna spam up. So don't worry. I'll make up for it. You know, in a way. And yeah, so do not worry. Do not worry. Okay, chat? Make sense? Make sense? Don't worry, guys. Don't worry. Do not worry. You know what? You know what? We'll do another 10K right now. Think of a number between 1 and 10. All right, first one to say McDonald's wins. First one to say McDonald's in the chat. Quick. First one to say it. Why are you guys guessing numbers? Okay, stop. The first person to say McDonald's was Jawad Ewis. Jawad Ewis. He just got a 10K account. Jawad Ewis. Jawad Ewis. Boom. You're locked in. So just make sure you're in their Discord and all that stuff, and then log in. Boom. Let's see. First one to say KFC is a 10K account. First one to say KFC. Come on. Okay, stop. The winner for this one is down. The winner for this is Azrael Pear. Azrael Pear. So make sure you're in the Discord, claim your thing. And last one more 50K account. One more 50K account. First one to say Hamuzi. First one to say Hamuzi. Okay, stop. Wow, that shit. Bro, how is there so many of you guys at the same time, bro? Like, okay, this one is Cathai Flores. Cathay Flores. All right. With the 50K futures. Okay, guys. That's it for the giveaways. It's fine again if you don't win. I literally doubled down and I gave you guys twice the amount. I doubled it down so you guys can be mad. So it's completely fine. Don't worry, guys. Remember, you're here to learn, and there's going to be more giveaways. Does that make sense? Do not be butthurt. There will be more giveaways. Again, I'm a human. I may miss some of your guys' stuff. It's fine. It's fine. Does that make sense, everyone? I'm what? What am I, guys? I'm what? I'm a, starts with an H and ends with an N. I'm a human, okay? Don't say this is not fair. If you wanted it to be fair, you could have sent the link to generate the winner. And out of all of you guys, not a single person sent the link. So you guys didn't want it to be a generated version. You just wanted me to pick because you guys are lazy. So your laziness is what caused all of this because you decided to not send me the link. So if there's anyone to blame, guess what? It's yourselves. Ha ha, boo hoo. You are to blame. So for the future, anytime I say send me a generated link, send me the damn link. All right. Not that hard, not that difficult, right, guys? But again, guys, all jokes aside, on a serious note, it's okay, guys. If you lost, if you did not win, I mean, it's completely fine. And don't worry, okay, guys? Remember, you came here to learn, you came here to lock in. Right? So, guys, in terms of the setup in it of itself, we're currently at 11 a.m. right now. So, anyways, guys, how was today? How was today's session? Subtract the giveaway because I know a lot of people may not be happy about that. Some people are, some people are not. How was the lesson in terms of that? Did you guys enjoy it? Was it good? You guys were able to also see a live execution trade as well, live in front of your eyes. You're like, oh my gosh, I got to see it live for the first time. This is insane. Like, what? He explained it word for word. It attacked the liquidity. Like, how did he do this? Like, how the heck did he do this live in front of us, in front of all of us? How did he do it live? Hopefully you guys, gain some knowledge that way. Hopefully you guys, it was like, bro, this is insane. Like, wow, amazing. Wow, live. How? I want more of these, right? Type of vibes. So I got you guys for sure. And in the meanwhile, again, if you guys are like, again, I want to pick very dedicated students that are locked in for the one-on-one because I want to teach you guys. So again, if we go to gold, guys, we could have had 2 W's today, right? You see this right here? You see the setup on gold? Could have been 2 amazing W's, right? So that's why now I'm training these students one-on-one so we can diversify our attention within different pairs. Does that make sense? I want to diversify our attention between different pairs, which means what? We're not going to miss a setup. Does that make sense, everyone? So if you guys are interested in joining the one-on-one, right, and have any questions about that, feel free to message me and email me. And the email is hamuzithegoat6@gmail.com. And it should be somewhere up there. I did pin it before. So again, hamuzithegoat6@gmail.com. Have an amazing day, guys. Take care. And yeah, don't forget to get your AquaFutures account. Lock in 65% off. Use code Aqua. Love you guys. Have a beautiful day. I'm gonna keep you guys updated. And don't forget to email me. Peace out.